let's get started with our product options. And we're going to tackle the assigning the product options to our shape products. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look what we did previously. We put in our categories, and then we put in our shapes as well. Along with our shapes, we have the amazing circle, the amazing square, the amazing triangle. We went ahead and put in color images so that people can see how cool our different shapes will look. What we're going to work towards is putting in available options. We're going to do sizes and colors. As we can see, we have sizes right here. I threw them in as a precursor so we can see that. And let's go ahead and let's log into our admin area. In most OpenCart stores, the sizes are already pre-installed, but we'll go ahead, we'll go in under catalog, and we'll go to products, and let's go ahead down to the amazing circle and take a look at that. And we can see in the amazing circle that we have our options tab, and inside our options tab what we did is we added size. Pretty easy, shown in the video accompanying to this. Essentially what we do is we just type in and look for that if it's already made. Oops. We got size in, so we're going to go ahead and for our sizes we're going to put our 3 sizes, and we'll start with small, medium, and we'll make sure everything is in line the way we want it, which it is. We'll make it required, and we'll say yes. Now we want to go ahead and we want to do that to our make this a little smaller so we can see better our square. So we'll go into our option, size, 1, 2, 3, small, medium, and large. Let's save that. So that's our square. Let's do our triangle. Go into our options. Size. Oops. We'll save that. Now that we have them in, we should be able to see them in all of our shapes. So we can see, of course, we have them here in our circle. If we go out, we can go to our shapes. We can see that we have them in our triangle. Now the problem is they're not showing up, and there's a reason for that. And the reason is what we have to do is we'll go in and we have to assign the way that a lot of attributes options are viewed is they're seen as their own individual products, right? If we have 4 small, 5 medium, and 5 large, that's a total of 14 products. In this case, what we have here is we want to go ahead and put in 10, 10, and 10, and this is for our triangle. So we're putting in the quantity of products. When we put in the quantity of products, it's then makes it available. When the quantity runs out, of course, it doesn't offer it because it's not available. It's not in stock. And in an e-commerce site, you cannot sell something you do not have in stock. We'll go ahead. We had an error there. We'll take care of that. Go back into our triangle and take a look. That did stick. Oops. Whoops. Jumped out of my sight there. Let's go ahead and make this a little bigger. Okay, so we do have that. Let's refresh. There we go. Now we can see that they're showing up. Let's do the same thing for our squares. We want to put a quantity in. Under our option, we'll go with 10, 10, 10. Save that. And then let's go make sure our circle is the same. Ten, 10, 10. Awesome. And one of the other things that we saw in here while we were in here, let's go back in, look under option. We can see subtract stock. A setting we pretty much want most of the time, because what it does is it takes away, as purchases are made, it takes away from the products so that whatever you have on hand, it's keeping track of. And so now we can see that we have large, medium, and small. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add colors. Now, if we go over here under the catalog, under options, as we saw in the instructional video, at this point we don't have colors under here. And so we're going to go ahead and what we want to do first, our options list, we want to go ahead, we want to put an option name of colors. And we're going to make this a select as well, and some people might make it a radio. We'll go ahead and make it a radio just to be different. And we want to add in option names, so we're going to go with red, green, blue. And we can put a sort order to make sure that they always show up. We could say red 0, green 1, blue 2. And that would ensure that they always show up with the proper colors. And we're not going to use any images at this point, so we'll save that. And we'll go back to our products. And we'll put our colors into our products. So we'll start with the circle. We'll go to the option. We'll say colors. And in colors, we'll go ahead and add all three. And of course, we're going to need a quantity for that as well. I think I did the triangle, maybe. Nope, I did do the circle. So let's go back out. Do the triangle and square. Put our quantity in. Save that. To our triangle. Awesome. So at this point we have them all applied. go out and double check in our store. We can see that we have our colors, and we can see that we have our sizes, and we can add to cart. So let's go back out to the square. And we'll say we want a red one of those, large. We'll add that to cart. And I believe we have a circle and a square in our cart. Take a blue one of those. Small, and we have them all in our cart now, so we can actually go view them in our cart. And we can see that we are actually including our option details are underneath the product name in the cart, which we can see. And that will wrap us up for step 304. See you in the next video.